Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Elasticsearch index mappings for search consistency, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Elasticsearch index mappings, start by opening your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have access to your Elasticsearch cluster. Use the curl command to retrieve the index mappings. The basic format for this command is curlx get http://localhost 92. Replace your underscore index with the name of the index you want to verify. Press enter to execute the command. You should receive a JSON response containing the mappings for the specified index. Review the output to ensure the mappings align with your expected data types. Look for fields that you might frequently query. Check that these fields are mapped correctly, as incorrect mappings can lead to inconsistent search results. Take note of any fields that are missing or misconfigured. Next, validate that the field types match your intended usage. For example, make sure date fields are correctly mapped as dates. If you find discrepancies, consider updating the index mappings. To do this, create a new index with the correct mappings. Use the put command to create the new index. The command format for this is curlx put http://localhost 9200/your_new_index h content type application/JSON-D. Include the correct mapping JSON in the D option. After creating the new index, reindex your data from the old index to the new one. You can use the _reindex API for this process. The command to reindex is curlx post http://localhost 9200/_reindex h content type application/JSON-D. Specify both the source index and destination index in your JSON payload. Once the reindexing is complete, confirm the new index mappings. Perform another mapping verification using the initial curl command. Ensure that the new mappings are accurate and consistent with your data requirements. Finally, run a few test searches on the new index to confirm that the changes have resolved any previous issues. By following these steps, you will ensure your Elasticsearch index mappings are verified for search consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.